Good evening, guys. In this video, I will show you guys some of the most common issues and bugs and how you can report them and find them and hopefully solve them. So let's go over to the first bug. I have the bot right here and I want to start it off. And let's say I start it off and I get the following issue. So let's click on Start Test Desktop and wait for the bot to launch properly. When the bot launched, you want to keep an eye on this particular window. So you have two windows launching, a black command shell, which might give you some errors, which is fine. You can ignore those and you can minimize that at all times. And then you have this bot interface where you have the agents tab, which will give you most of the information. So for example, here it says fatal error, credentials invalid. So you always have to navigate to the agents tab in order to see if there's something wrong with your bot or if the bot is ready to start. Okay, now in this particular scenario, it says credential invalid. So there is no need for us to launch the web interface and start pressing any buttons because the bot for now won't work. So we have to solve that. Okay, so credentials invalid, we know that we have to look into our config.json file. So this one right here, and we have to change that. Okay, so I have a correct one prepared, and let's just swap it over. Let's try to start the bot again. Okay, then we want to have an eye out for this one, and it says all bots are ready to go, so the configuration is now correct. This solved issue 1. There is another issue. Let's say you have a duplicate agents in your active table. So in the active tables, the names for every and each single agent cannot be the same as another agent. So let's say you have 2 times this short UI, which have the same agents in them. So you have 2 times this similar agent names. And let's say you're trying to start your bot. Navigate to the agents tab, and let's see what it's telling us. So it loads the first one, which is fine, but then the second one should have similar agent names, and it says fatal error, duplicate agent name, short one. So it says that it has the similar agent names. That's how you know that there is something wrong. There's one other thing, guys. If you go to your computer all the way to the bottom right, there is the time, and you want to right click your time settings, and then you want to click on adjust date and time. This will bring you the following menu. Here you want to click on sync now. This will make sure that your system time is always correct and right on time with the actual time, which is really important in trading. So if you're having issues, sometimes clicking the sync now button will help you. Okay, so there is a couple things. If you're having issues and these 2 things did not resolve it, you want to go over to your logs folder. Okay, so within your main bot folder, there is a folder called the logs, and you want to go inside here and you want to read the oracle.logs. Okay, most of the times that's the only one with information written in it, and this will also tell you the information like whether the bot is not running for whatever reason. Okay, and you can communicate this to us and we can support you with the issue. Okay, so I just wanted this video to be out there so that you know, okay, if I'm having issues, I have to read the agents tab, and if I can't find the issue right there, I might want to sync my time, and after that I want to read the logs folder and see if there's anything in the Oracle or sometimes in the socket.io folder, which is a bug statement that you can forward to the developers or to myself, and we can help you out. Right, so thank you for your attention, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.